cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
And tip it in together, Jack.
Hold it.
Make it with love, because it's for Santa.
Chocolate chip.
Yummy.
Little Santa. Can I just take one chocolate chip?
Okay, one.
Yes. I'll take one too. This one is giant. There we go. Flatten it out. I'm chopping the butter.
Yeah, and mix it all in.
Yeah, mix it all in. Mix. Chop, chop, chop. Santa's gonna love it so much.
Yeah.
It's made by Becky. Santa does the cookies.
carrot. I think Grandad's getting a mince pie. Do you want to get a mince pie?
Don't forget to get a mince pie. I think it would have just been cool if someone just gave it this. Like, just a...
Yeah,
Nice.
mince pie. There we go. Does it look good?
Awesome.
Do you think it looks all good and ready? Mince pie, cookies, carrot, milk.
I can sneak one.
Can you?
Look, those are the ones. Now, I want to look at my not
Yeah.
stocking.
You're gonna go and check.
Stocking.
Go check your stockings then. Jack, gonna check your stockings.
Oh, footprint! I
Footprint.
love it!
Wow.
Cookie's gone. Bite of the mince pie. Half carrots. Milk. Half milk. Why is there so much half thing? Let's go another little break to open that. This is hard. This is We've got chocolate coins. Whoa. I got stuff.
Oh, they look cozy. They keep your feet nice and warm, won't
I got stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's so cool. Oh, look at it. What's this?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
they? A yo-yo.
Yeah.
Wow.
That looks like a cool yo-yo.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, no, you've got a new one.
Yeah.
I guess those
I won't worry about it.
kind of got really cute.
Cute, isn't it?
Okay, that's open now.
Thank you, Jack.
Yeah. I know this is good.
Is it cars?
Do you like cars, do you?
Do you like it? It'll work on your train track, won't it?
Yeah. That's your train track.
Which one have you got, Mina?
Why do I have two? And it goes in the head.
That's
I got another one.
you can
Oh, wow.
One of those
More,
looks like it's
more
chocolate.
chocolates.
More chocolate.
And I open it. Well, I already have one.
Yeah.
I'm sure you won't mind more chocolate.
Quite a lot.
So you go, oh no, I've got too much chocolate.
I'm going to open another one from you and Dad's one.
Yeah. It's like a little mini fridge, but you could either use it in your doll's house or it's for stationery, so you can put your pens in it.
What's that? Let's have a look. That's a projection flashlight. Little torch that projects in.
You like it?
Yeah. I think I have to.
You'll need it for your Barbies. Yeah.
Build it, or I don't think it's build it.
I got that one.
Yeah. And you've got that one.
And it glows in the dark.
Does it? And you've got the shark one. Jack, try and squish it.
Give it a squish. It's the best feeling ever.
Do a big squeeze.
Oh,
It's so soft. It's really nice
I
and
love it.
squishy.
It's like the best thing to squish. Mila's got one too.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a cat one.
I
And you've
love
got a monkey.
It's crowded all over.
Yeah,
I
you're-
have the remote control.
You're covered in presents.
Yes, I'm covered in all the presents. I wonder what.
Oh, nice.
Oh, well, that looks nice and soft. So you can do Barbie's hair. Is it cool? You can practice doing plaits and things, can't you?
Yeah. I can't come to the region for everything. I want it peach.
Cheers! Well done.
One, two, I can see toys.
Oh, there's a toy inside.
I'm so excited. Which one's gone?
So yeah, you can. There's a right way.
Which one's mine? It's mine.
So this is a joint present. So it's from all of us, and it's for all of us to use.
Okay, can we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I can.
It's like a clue. What do you think it is?
Yeah, this is a clue.
I have no idea.
Do you know what it is, Jack?
Yeah.
What is it?
Mario Kart steering wheel.
What would we need that for?
Mario Kart.
So what do you think it is?
Mario Kart. Mario Kart.
Okay.
I'm not that interested in Mario Kart.
Yeah, but it's not just Mario Kart. Daddy's going to show you what else it is on the TV.
Oh, these default to that again. There we go.
Isn't it cool? Isn't it the new? I love the.
So
Is
this.
it a Mario Kart game?
So this is the new Nintendo Switch, the thing that we said we can't get because it's too expensive,
Yeah.
and it has puppies and kittens,
Yeah, that's my favourite game. Yay.
and it has the new Mario Kart game.
You know the new one, Jack?
And does it have the thing like on the walls?
Yep.
Yay!
So you both got a game each, and then there's also a Mario Party game, which everyone can
I
play.
watched I watched the new Mario Kart on Daddy's phone app. I really want Daddy's puppies and kittens phone at home.
Now you can play
That
it.
rhymes.
Looking good.
Oh, yeah. Look at
Those are the controls for letting it lay on this way.
what do I do with a rocket?
So you got a right trigger and a left trigger.
So cool!